Alright guys, today we're talking about 2020 AMC10A number 17. Define p of x as p of x minus 1 squared times x minus 2 squared times dot dot to x minus 100 squared. How many integers n are there so that p of n is less than or equal to 0? Okay, so we can split this into two cases. So we got case 1, if p of n equals 0. Because 0 is less than or equal to 0. P of x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 squared, 2 squared, to 100 squared. So this is 100 numbers that work for if p of n is equal to 0. Now case 2. P of n is less than 0. So in order to see what cases these are, we can draw a table. So let's say this is like the interval. Let's say this is the number of negative terms. So let me do something real quick. So we can construct something like this. So let's say the interval is, so let's say x is less than 1 squared. So if x is less than 1 squared, then all of these are negative. So there's 0 negative terms. So there's 100 negative terms. Because this is negative, 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 dot, dot, dot. Negative, and that would mean that 100 negatives is positive. This would not work. So if x is greater than 1 squared, but less than 2 squared, then this is 99 negative terms. Because this is positive because x is greater than 1 squared, but it's negative because x is less than 2 squared. And if x is less than 2 squared, then it's less than every other square. This is 99 negative terms. But 99 negative terms multiply to a negative. So we can start seeing that they alternate in sign. So what we can do is you can do 2 squared minus, so the number of integers in this interval, not including 1 squared and 2 squared, is 2 squared minus 1 squared minus 1. We can see this because obviously the only intervals is 2 and 3, and 4 minus 2 is 2. And we can try for the next one. The next one would be 4 squared minus 3 squared minus 1. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 6 numbers. And 16 minus 10 is 6. This works. So we just add all these up all the way to 100 squared minus 99 squared minus 1. So we can turn this into 2 squared minus 1 squared plus 4 squared minus 3 squared plus dot 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 to 100 squared minus 99 squared minus 50, because there are 50 pairs, because 2, 4, 6, we can just divide 100 by 2. So now that we know this looks like difference of squares, so we can simplify this. This will turn into 2 plus 1 times 2 minus 1, which is 3. So now we get 3 plus 7 plus dot dot dot. So what we have right now is 3. Sorry. So we can, instead of adding them, we can get, so 2 minus 1 is obviously 1. So this just simplifies into 2 plus 1. And this goes into 4 plus 3, 4 minus 3. Obviously 4 minus 3 is 1, so 4 plus 3. And as you can see, adding them all up, at the end you get 100 plus 99. So we can rearrange this into 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 to 100 minus 50 at the end. So this is just 100 times 101 over 2, which is 5050. Minus 50 is 5000. But we still have to add the case where it's equal to 100. So 5000 plus 100 is 5100. Thank you.